Welcome back to the InboundREM YouTube channel, and today we're going to do some back-to-back videos, and we're going to be talking about a number of vendors. Today, top of the list is IDX Broker. For those of you that may not know, IDX Broker is a plugin tool that serves up listings on real estate websites. They have a very compelling integration with WordPress, and they are one of the more flexible tools that's out there. So it lets you essentially display MLS listings on your website. If you've got development skills or work with a partner like us that has development skills, then it is one of the most adaptable tools out there, extremely good for custom websites. It's also good for semi-custom websites where you're working with a partner like us who's adapted the tool a lot. You can customize everything, the design, the listing layout, how you collect leads. It's flexible, powerful, and built for performance. Most importantly, this space, the IDX space, is not full of really competent, really tech-forward vendors. It's a very challenging space. The companies that are out there that are really good oftentimes get acquired and then close down. As a matter of fact, that leads me to say the following. IDX Broker is also been acquired by Elm Street, and some of my only concerns about IDX Broker relate to the acquisition by Elm Street. So if you're a developer partner like I am, I don't know that I would recommend IDX Broker at this time. They are changing a lot of details that has to do with partnering with them and not in the favor of the actual partner. However, if you're a consumer and you're looking for information on IDX Broker, the answer is everything I'm saying is true. It's still the most flexible and adaptable tool. The core technology is good. It looks like IDX Broker might be going to a retail model where they want to serve you directly. So maybe you can call into them and get a website from them, get them to customize their tool. If you're not customizing the tool, the default setup is clunky. The basic templates, no standard features, no SEO value, and actually way behind what the current standard is for IDX listings. So it's really important that if you are looking at IDX Broker that you realize that they are only an excellent tool if you have a developer partner as part of your team. Bottom line, IDX Broker, as long as you are not a developer partner, and I will do a longer review at my desk, not a chair, and I will explain all the pros and cons, of which there's a lot more cons than there used to be because of this Elm Street acquisition. However, if you're just a consumer, you're looking for a good IDX tool, you need to customize something, you need SEO or you need lead flow, well, at that point, if you match that customer criteria, IDX Broker is like an 8 or 9 or 10. If you don't have a developer, you're lucky, like 3 to 5. IDX Broker is not the tool. iHome Finder would probably be the tool that you want to look at. So know what you need before you dive into these IDX tools. It's an unbelievably important thing. If you're unsure, there are tons of good partners with IDX Broker, like James Call at Realty Candy, who is great at answering questions. There's a few others that are good. I just don't know them off the top of my head. There's a lot of, the team over at iHome Finder is quite good. It's led by Matt Reynolds, and so far my experience with Matt Reynolds has been exceptional. I know he has many other team members that handle like single install units, and if any of that is what you're looking for, call Matt, tell him I sent you. He'll send you to somebody else, but I'm sure he'll send you with somebody that will set you up quite nicely. So that's it. That's what you need to know. I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, look down below for contact info. You can get a hold of me or one of my team members. Thank you very much.